Hi, my name is Francis Burns. I am a founder and strategy director of Puzzle. Puzzle are a digital agency. We work with a range of clients, so people like Cancer Research, Wilco, Waitrose, and we do different things for all of them, but we specialise in paid media buying and optimization, iOS, Android and web build, and also content creation and social management as well. The change in the last 5 years from an industry perspective has been towards speed. Certainly from our company perspective, our first client was Delivery when they were very, very small, so 5 or 6 people. And the acceleration of them meant that we had to move alongside them and we had to do things much, much quicker than we did before. But I would actually say, obviously Delivery is one example where a very fast growing company, but I'd actually say in the industry as a whole, speed is incredibly important. And that is also another reason why our team, specifically our planning team and our creative teams, love Attest, because it is something where you can get results so quickly. But it's also something that clients want. So where clients are asking questions, if we can respond to them within a day with something which is actually properly qualified, then that's an incredible thing. We came on board with Attest when they were still quite a new product, mainly because we weren't happy with the level of data and the quality of data we're getting back from other providers. Relatively fast, but relatively loose with quality in terms of the responses we were getting. Across the business, lots of different teams actually use Attest in quite different ways. So we run a quarterly charity tracker, which is looking at attitudes towards giving. That provides us obviously quarter-on-quarter data, which we can assess and see if it's gone up or down. And that's really crucial when there are world events that could affect people's propensity to give. So that's been one use case that's been really interesting. The outputs from our work with Attest are used across our business. So they're used from the client servicing team to talk about when looking at awareness. They're used from a creative perspective to look at what creatives put out. And that actually is the results that we put out. So if we're looking at the different types of creative, the ones that test highly on Attest are the ones that we're going to use. And also from an ad perspective, we use it to test out the quality of ads. So everything from copy to image to the different types of targeting we're doing, using the platform to see how effective those will be. And that bears out generally as well. When we find those answers, we will quite often run a control at the same time, which is with much broader types of creative. And the creative where we've defined it more accurately through a test has performed better pretty consistently. So that's good too.